Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a whole house cleaning. It is the day after Christmas, so my house is extremely messy. So today we are going to be cleaning in every room of the house. But before we get into that, I wanted to let you guys know that today's video is a collaboration with 6 other YouTube moms. Their names are Krista, Brittany, Lynette, Lauren, Jessica, and Adeline, and I will have all of their videos linked down below. They also film cleaning videos, so if you need a ton of cleaning motivation today, then go and watch all of their videos after you watch mine. And the 7 of us are also all teaming up to do a huge giveaway for you guys over on Instagram. This is going to be a $350 giveaway. Each of us have purchased a $50 Visa gift card, and we're going to combine them all to give away $350 worth of Visa gift cards to you guys. So this is going to be an Instagram giveaway, so I will have my Instagram link down below. Just head over to my Instagram and just look for the picture of me holding this Visa gift card, and that is the picture on my Instagram where you will enter the giveaway. So now with all of that said, we are going to get straight into this cleaning video. I started off my cleaning here in the kitchen. There was lots of dishes to put in the dishwasher and wash. And I also wanted to say that if you are new here to my channel, I would love to have you subscribed. All you have to do is click the red subscribe button and make sure that you click the bell beside of it. If you click the bell beside of it, then you will get notified every time that I upload a new video. So once all the surfaces were wiped off in the kitchen, then I got my candle lit here on the table, and then my stovetop needed a really good cleaning, and so I got out my Ceramibrite kit, and I always get questions about this whenever I use it, and it's a kit off of Amazon. I'll have it linked down below because I always have to end up putting the link down in the comments for you guys. So it's just a cleaner, and then it comes with that scrubber sponge and then this little like scraper tool. So after I got my bedroom cleaned up and I got the sheets put in the wash, then I got started on cleaning my master bathroom, and all of the cleaning products that you've been seeing me use today are from Grove Collaborative. I always have a link down below for you guys. The link down there right now is so that you can get $10 off your first order. They carry tons of natural cleaning products. This cleaner that I'm using on the bathroom countertop here is called the Method Foaming Bathroom Cleaner, and then I'll also be using the Method Glass and Surface Cleaner on the mirror here in a little bit. Both of these cleaners cleaners are must-haves in my house, and this sponge that I'm using is also from Grove, so they carry tons of awesome products. Once I got the boys' bedrooms cleaned and then vacuumed, I moved on to cleaning their bathroom. This bathroom needed a good cleaning. I started off by cleaning up everything off of the floor, and then I wiped down the countertops and the toilet. I cleaned the mirror, and then also when I mopped the wood floors later, I came back here and I mopped this floor as well. My sheets were done washing, so I got those put over into the dryer, and then after that I picked up the living room area and then I got it all vacuumed. After I had all the living room areas cleaned up and vacuumed, then I moved on to cleaning the wood floors. And first off, I swept all of the wood floors, and then I went in with the mop, and I just used my Bona mop, and then I was using Aunt Fanny's vinegar hardwood floor cleaner. That is also from Grove Collaborative. As you can see, my sheets got done drying in the dryer, so I was putting them on my bed, and I'm not sure what is going on with my hair here. It's looking kind of crazy. That's just what happens when you clean all day long. So now the house is clean, and here I was just walking you through the whole house, showing you how clean it was. This cleaning took me a long time, like almost all day, just in between everything else that I had to do. I hope that you all enjoyed this cleaning video and that you got lots of cleaning motivation from it to get your house cleaned up. And also, happy New Year's Day. The day that I upload this video, it's New Year's Day, so I hope that you guys had a wonderful New Year's and that you have a blessed year ahead. And also, if you're new, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to go and follow me on Instagram if you want to win that $300 Visa gift card giveaway. And since it's the beginning of a new year, I would love for you guys to leave me video suggestions down in the comments. So what types of videos do you guys want to see in the new year, or what types of videos do you want to see more of that I've previously filmed? Just let me know all of your thoughts down in the comments. I would love to read. And thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.